Hi students, today we're going to look at Tinker CAD. So if you click on the link that says Project Ignite Tinker CAD right here on Schoology, we're going to click on that and we're going to get you set up. So let's go ahead and sign up. Okay, it's going to ask you to create an account. You can use United States, and just to save us time and not having to put our own personal information in about our birth date, and we know this is a valid site and appropriate for school, we're going to just all enter in the same birth date and year. So that way you aren't giving out your personal information where it's really not important for you to do so. So we're going to just pick January. Let's do 1. And then let's pick something like 2000. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to next. And we're going to create an account. Now, you can use your school email account and then any password you would like. So, student Superman at yours will be at saugatuckps.com. Mine is I'm just using a personal one just so I can show you, and then enter a password that you are going to remember. Now, if I were you, I'd probably use your school email and your school password just because it'll be easier for you to remember. Or at least it should be noted that your teacher is not going to have access to your password, so it's important for you to use something that you're going to remember. You're going to agree and create an account. So we have all access to all these, so let's hit done. And it's going to load. All right, so it might first start out with learning the moves, learning basic moves in Tinker CAD Basics. And you should have it right here. If for some reason it doesn't get to this immediate, let me hide this immediate screen, you can always go back to, let's say it goes to the dashboard here. You can go ahead and click on lessons. That's going to show you what it first does or what it first goes into. This is your own account. But we can also do learn. So if for some reason it doesn't go right to that lesson called learning the moves, you will go click on learn and then do 3D design. Make sure that's it. And then step-by-step lessons. We're going to start out with the basics. We're going to do learning the moves. And the nice thing about Tinker CAD is it's going to go through some basic lessons. So you can see now we're learning the moves. We're going to learn how to move the shapes along the work plane. So we're not necessarily creating shapes yet. You're going to learn those things. But we're going to learn how to move things. And they're pretty simple. As you can see, there's only 3. So we're going to hit next. And it says just drag the light brown construction to the area outlined in orange. So we can drag this, and we're going to drag it right on there and drop. Okay. And it'll show hints. Next, we're going to continue to the next one. We got flying stars, so that's all good. It shows us that we did it, and we are done. And then we can continue. So let's go to continue. It's going to save our work into our account, so that's great. And then we're going to do some camera controls. Okay, so in this lesson, you will learn to check out designs. And we're just going to go through all of these lessons. So I'm just going to quick go back here so you can see. You should see how it says different lessons that you've been through. At some point, you'll be able to create your own 3D designs. But let's go back to learn. And you'll notice that we're going to go through all 6 of these lessons, okay? And then you'll have a chance to make your own.